Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're gonna do a cranberry tart today. It's real easy. This is making your own dough. It really doesn't take that long at all. I've got 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I've got 1 egg yolk. I've got 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna use about 3 teaspoons of ice water. And I wanted to keep this in the freezer until we needed it. And you got 8 tablespoons, which is 1 stick of butter, and this is cubed. We're going to do this in our food processor. Okay, I'm going to add the flour, the salt. I'm just going to give that a quick pulse to mix it up. Now we're going to add the butter here. You want to pulse this to work that butter in. Okay, 2 tablespoons of ice water. I'm going to add that egg yolk. And it definitely needs more water, so I'm going to add Alright, so that's a total right now of 4 tablespoons of water. We want this to come together. And it looks like it's just starting to come together. And that's it. That's what you want. Put a little flour on your surface. And that's it. So what we want to do is we want to put this in the fridge while we make the rest of the filling. All right. Take it. Put it in the fridge. I've got a couple tablespoons of freshly squeezed orange juice. I've got about a teaspoon or so of fresh orange zest. 1/4 cup of water. 3/4 cup of sugar. We're going to put a splash of vanilla in. 2 cups of cranberries, fresh cranberries. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of cubed butter. Okay, so what we want to do first is put in the cranberries, put in the water. We're also going to add the orange juice and the zest. And we're just going to let this cook down until these cranberries start busting open and getting soft. Okay, so these cranberries are ready for sugar. Again, that's 3/4 cup. And that 1 tablespoon of flour. It's going to help it thicken up. I'm going to cook this for a couple minutes until it gets nice and thick, and then it'll be ready to pour into the tart pan. Okay, so while the cranberries are cooking down, we're going to start preparing the tart mold. So this tart pan has a removable bottom. I'm going to give this a spray. Dough. Just lightly dust it. Get your rolling pin. Oh, I did forget, you want to preheat your oven at this point to 400. So I'm preheating the oven now, because this is all going to come together in no time. All right, take the dough, all right, and then you just run your rolling pin over the edge, it'll automatically trim it for you. I'm going to put this in the fridge and let it set up. Okay, so this is ready to come off. It's thickened up, and we're going to take it and we're going to put the butter and a little bit of vanilla in here, and then we're going to pour it into the tart pan. All right. Now we're going to add the butter. We're going to mix that in until it's all melted. And I don't know, teaspoon. Now I'm gonna pour this in and spread it out. I got this little piece of dough left over. I'm gonna try to make a mini with just the scraps. Okay, so the oven's up to temperature. We're gonna throw this in for about 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so I took it out. I sprinkled it with some powdered sugar. Actually, I put a little bit too much on, but that's okay. Yeah, and that's it. Now this was real easy. It took, I don't know, 20 minutes to prepare, 30 minutes to cook. Yeah, I look forward to eating it. So anyway, I hope you like, subscribe, and maybe try this. Let me know in the comments what you think, and we'll see you again soon.